Every spark begins with a feeling. A book left open. The smell of the ocean before you even see it. That's where my boards come from.
Came home with mud in my mouth from the river road and
But for a while, I forgot that. Got lost somewhere between the noise and the speed of everything.
torchlight burned on a nail.
And when I finally stopped,
With mud on the door,
I realized I couldn't be fully myself without nature around me.
hands full of more. My coat had hope.
Shaping brought me back.
My
There's
throat
something
had
about working with
sand.
your hands, feeling the foam respond,
I held
and reading
my
the curve
breath.
of a rail. It's the same as reading a wave. You're not forcing anything, you're listening.
And I know that look in a tired-eyed room. It means stay low or meet your doom.
Baleia means whales in Portuguese. They cross entire oceans, different waters, different currents, different worlds. But no matter how far they go, they always find their way back to the same place. That's what these boards are for me. Not just something I make, it's a way home.